In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 10. As you can see, there's a notification message at the bottom right which says activate window. Go to setting to activate window. Now, that really means that your Windows 10 has not been activated. Okay, I have this KMS file on my desktop which I'm going to be using to activate this Windows 10. Okay, but before we get right into that, we'll need to turn off Windows security on our computer for effective installation of this application. Okay, just click on the start button, okay, or Windows button, okay, then type Windows security. All right, once you open the Windows security, now you click on this particular virus and threat protection. Okay, you have to turn off, go to manage settings, click on manage settings, then you turn off the real-time protection. All right, click yes, turn this off. All right, scroll down. Okay, turn this off and then turn the last one off. Okay, next we'll go to our firewall. When you get to your firewall, you have to turn this off, the domain, turn off. Okay, just turn this off. All right, click yes, then go back. Okay, then you turn this off as well. Okay, we already turned the domain off, so we just go to private network, turn this off. Okay, all right. Okay, so you go back to app and browser control. All right, you click on reputation based protection settings. All right, so you see the first one is already turned off, so you just turn the other ones off. Okay, you scroll down, a little bit, then you turn this off and turn this off. You are all done with that process. Okay, just click yes. Now we are done with that process. But once you install the application, you have to go back here and turn everything on the way it were. Okay, we just close this particular one. Then this is the file we're going to be using, installing to this particular computer to activate the window. Okay, all right, so this is the KMS file that we're going to be using to actually activate this Windows 10. So you just right click on it, then extract here. Okay, I already have the password copied to my, so I'll paste, then click on OK. All right, so here is the KMS file which we are going to be using. So I will just double click on it to install. All right, you click yes to continue, you click next, next. Once you are done, the notification at the bottom right will disappear automatically. So, but if it doesn't disappear automatically, you have to then restart your computer system. Then once you restart, you won't find it there anymore. So you can then use the features, the full features of Windows 10 and enjoy every bit of Windows 10 that you're supposed to be enjoying when it is activated. Okay, installation has been successful. And something I forgot, you have to make sure you turn off your internet before installing this application. It's an offline installation program or software, so you have to turn off your internet. Okay, all right, now that we have successfully installed the application, you can see the notification message has disappeared from the desktop. All right, so if you find this video helpful, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and also share this video. You can drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any suggestion or question. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.